Hello learners, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will dive into advanced PySpark methods, specifically joins, Windows functions, and all. These are crucial for handling big data efficiently. Let's get started. So first, let's see about what the module we will be importing. So as I have mentioned in my previous video that without Spark session we can't go ahead, so we have to import that Spark session. It is an entry point to use a Spark by Spark. If you want to learn more about it, you can check my previous video. That description I will give in the YouTube link I will give in the description box. So let's start. Let's see what we have for join. So after importing the necessary modules, we will initialize the Spark session. And next, here to learn join, we need two different data frame or data set, you can say, so that we can join and we can see the value. So here I am creating two data, sample data, data 1 and data 2, and then I will be converting that data 1 and data 2 into data frames, Spark data frame. So we have df1 and df2, two data frames, and we will see the data set df1.show and df2.show. So let's see, let's check the data set. Okay, it's not connected now. It's getting connected. Okay. Okay, it's taking a bit longer. Oh. Okay, finally our cell got run, and see we have two data frame as it is showing name and department. So in one data frame we have only name, and in another one we have department. So let's see now next that how inner join works in Spark. So to apply inner join, we will be using dot join method. So we will be taking one data set and we'll apply join, and we'll keep the another data frame in there, and we have to give also the IDs upon which column you want to join, and also the specify that which join you are using. So here we are using inner join, so we will write the inner. Now we will take the variable inner join and we'll show. Let's see what it is showing. So actually inner join returns only the matching records from both data frames. So as we can see, so like it is showing name and department, and it is showing the Alice and Bob. So like that, HR and engineering. Now let's see the next join we have, that is left outer join. So a left outer join returns all records from the left data frame and matching records from the right. So we will be using the same dot join method, and we'll be taking first data frame, we'll apply join, and then inside that you have to write the another data frame name and the ID on which you want to join, on which column, and then you need to specify which join you are using. So here we are using left join, we will keep that. Now let's see, we will run the cell when we'll see the data set. Okay, so as here we have name and department. So as you can see, Alice and Bob, like these are the left, and then from right it is only the Charlie, which is matching to the left, and it doesn't have any in this, so it is showing the null. Okay, now let's see the next join, that is right outer join. So a right join is the opposite of a left outer join, keeping all records from the right data frame and the matching one from the left. So let's see, here also will like same dot join, keep the data frame, keep the id and on which you want to join, and the right, as we are using right outer join, and we'll check the data set. So yes, it is showing Alice, Bob and the HR, engineering, finance and none. Okay, so now we have the full outer join. So like a full outer join keeps all records from both the data frames, no matter what, like if it is matching or not, it will give you the all. So yes, so like we have one null values in name also, and in one null value in department, as it has given all the values from both the data frame. Now the last join we have, that is cross join. So a cross join produces a like Cartesian product of both data frames. Let me show you. So like it will cross join and it will generate like double of it. So as you can see, we have one data frame, and it got mapped to all columns of the another data frame, and the same way like that. So as you can see, Alice got mapped 3 times, to HR also, to engineering also, to finance also, in the same way like Bob, Charlie, everyone. So this is the cross join. Now let's see about the Windows function in Spark. So Windows function allows calculations across a group of rows, providing ranking, aggregations and like many more things. So I will be taking another sample data for more operations, so I can do more operations upon Windows function aggregation and all. So same way we are importing the window from PySpark SQL, and also like all the this window function rank, dense rank, lag, lead, sum and all these. So I will be using another sample data over here. So it is the name and the like we have a department and the sales. So this is the sample data set, and now we want to convert into data frame. So let's create it, spark.create data frame, and we are giving the data and the column, whatever you column name you want to keep, so that you can keep. So employee, department and sales. Now let's see the data frame. Okay, so as you can see, we have employee, department and sales, 3 columns and all the values inside it. So let's check about the next window function that we have. So we will be applying row number. So actually the row number functions assign a unique sequential number to each row within a window partition. So here we will be using partition by, and we want partition by department, and then order by column cells, and it should be in descending order that we want. Now what we want with column. So like when we want some column to, name to select, we give that, and with column we want row number, and row number over what we want this window is like on this variable we want to select the row number. So and let's see dot show. So what it is showing, yes, as you can see, it is showing it has grouped upon department, and then it has it did partition. So nice. Let's get ahead and check about rank and dense rank. So both rank and dense rank provide ranking, like rank skips number after duplicates, while dense rank can't. So let's see what we will be getting in, and like it's the same with column, we will be selecting rank and then same dot over, and we'll be using the previous variable only, this one, because we have done partition by here and order by. So we'll be using that, and then we'll see the, so both we are using rank and dense rank, and then you will figure out what's the difference between both. So yes, as you can see, it's the like okay, right now actually no difference, but in our upcoming we will be doing more example, there you will see difference. Okay, now let's see about lead and lag. So lead and lag function allows us to compare the current row with the next or previous rows. Lead will compare with the next lead will compare the current row with the next, and the lag will compare the previous row, like current row with the previous rows. So let's see the result. So same here will be using, we will select the width column, and we'll select the next cell, and we'll be using lead as cell, and then we'll be using dot over, and the same variable will be using and dot show. So it will give us the, so like here it will, in the next cell column, you can see it is showing the next one, like 1200, 900, the 500 next is coming like that. So it is comparing with the next, but in the previous one, in the previous cell here, we can see that in 1200, like cell is 1200, and what was the previous, there's nothing, right? So it is showing null. Now for the 900, it is showing 1200, because 1200 is the previous sales that happened. So like this lead and lag works. Now here in the last we have rolling sum over window. So we can also perform rolling calculations like sum, average, etc, using window functions. So what we can do, let's see, again we will be using the same with column, and then we'll be using the rolling sales sum, will be summing over sales, and same dot over that variable that we have used, where we have grouped it like partition by over department, and then did order by. So let's see how it will show. So again it got grouped by department and sales, and then rolling sales it is showing. So like it will be like summing it up, like every time it is the 1200, the next time it is adding 900, the next time it is adding 500, like that. So this is the rolling sum over window. So that's it for this video. In this video we explored joins and window function. That was the basic of joins and the window function we explored, uh, but in upcoming videos I will be diving deeper into more complex queries. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more PySpark tutorials, because I'll be coming up with more complex queries and all. So thanks for watching.